Dear students, it is your question number 2 from the textbook, page number 6. Write the balanced equation for the following chemical reactions. Equation number 1, hydrogen plus chlorine, hydrogen chloride. Students, it is called word equation. Now we have to write chemical equation, so that for hydrogen we have to write H2 and for chlorine we have to write Cl2. We put one arrow and as a product we will get hydrogen chloride HCl. Students, this equation is called word equation and this equation is called skeletal equation. If you have read the page number 1 to 5 carefully, then you definitely know that before balancing the equation is called skeletal equation. Now we have to balance this equation. See here, left hand side, this right hand side. Students, if we see on left hand side, hydrogen atom is equal to 2 and how many chlorine atoms? Chlorine atom also 2 here on left hand side, and here in right hand side hydrogen atom is 1 and chlorine also 1. Now we have to balance both the sides. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. If we try to balance hydrogen, so if we put here 2 multiply by 2 here, so we'll get 2 ones are 2 hydrogen and 2 ones are 2 chlorine. So here if we put 2, we'll get 2 hydrogen atom and 2 chlorine atom. Now this equation is balanced. Likewise, students, second equation, barium chloride plus aluminium sulfate, and we'll get product barium sulfate plus aluminium chloride. Students, while seeing this equation, if we remembered that flow chart that previously I have sent you, in that double displacement reaction is there. So we'll see how it is double displacement reaction. Students, for barium chloride we have to write BaCl2. Aluminium sulfate we have to write Al2SO4 thrice, and product barium sulfate we have to write BaSO4, and aluminium chloride we have to write AlCl3. Students, again it is called skeletal equation. Now we have these two are reactants and these two are products. Here left hand side and right hand side. Student, if we see left hand side, this is barium. Barium's atom is 1, chlorine atom are 2, aluminium atoms are also 2, and this is sulfate. Sulfate atoms are 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. So SO atoms are 12. This side barium atom is 1, chlorine atom are 3, aluminium 1, and sulfate are 4. First we have to balance sulfate. If we want to balance sulfate, so if we multiply by 3 here, we'll get sulfate 12. 4 3s are 12. So sulfates are balanced, but while balancing sulfate, barium atom is disturbed. Here barium atom is 1 and here barium now 3. If we want to balance barium here, if we put 3 here and multiply by 3, so barium again balanced. See, now let's see, chlorine atoms are 3 2s are 6 and here 3 only. If we multiply by 3 here, then we'll get, if we multiply by 2 here, then we'll get 2 3s are 6. Now students, here aluminium become 2. So here already 2. Now our equation is balanced.